At Trifast, our manufacturing capabilities span continents from Asia to Europe, continuously evolving to meet the needs of our global customers. TR Manufacturing is the backbone of the Trifast Group, providing high-quality fasteners to OEMs, distributors, and our own distribution locations worldwide. Our manufacturing footprint covers 2 continents, representing about a third of the group's business, ensuring we produce parts in the right part of the world to meet your quality, volume, cost, and delivery needs. We take an engineered solutions approach to manufacturing, ensuring every product is designed and produced to meet the highest standards of performance and precision. Our range of precision fasteners includes cold-headed products, complex multi-stage forgings, safety-critical components, special parts to customer drawings, turned and machined parts. Let's take a closer look at TR Italy, one of the most renowned manufacturers in the country, known for product development and innovative design solutions. TR Italy, located in Umbria, historically the heart of manufacturing in Italy, serves global brands across 4 continents, specializing in externally threaded, cold-forged products made to customer specifications. TR Italy's innovation shines through in its 17 patented parts, including the groundbreaking EPW screw, which has earned accolades from the fastener industry. Due to increasing demand, the TR Italy facility has expanded by 30% to keep up with global growth. With over 14,000 square meters of manufacturing space at our 57,000 square meter facility, our extensive machine capabilities include wire drawing, cold forming, thread, and profile rolling. We also offer advanced heat treatment, surface treatments, optical sorting, assembly and kitting operations, and bespoke packaging, ensuring the highest standards in every aspect of production and delivery. We uphold quality, environmental, and safety standards through certifications including IATF 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001. TR Italy has recently enhanced its renewable energy capabilities with the installation of an impressive solar panel system. The project was further expanded with additional panels in the adjacent field, now generating approximately 920,000 kilowatt-hours annually. This significant achievement underscores TR Italy's strong commitment to sustainability and reducing environmental impact. Next, we move to TR Malaysia, a key player in the automotive industry, producing fasteners for OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers. With over 18,000 square meters of manufacturing space, TR Malaysia specializes in multi-stage forged products, particularly for the automotive sector, including powertrain, braking, and safety-critical components. Our technical team works closely with customers, offering design and development support, while our dojo room fosters collaboration on complex product challenges. With capabilities in complex cold forging, optical sorting, and customized packaging, we ensure that our products meet exact specifications for global delivery. From Europe to Asia, TR is committed to innovation, quality, and sustainability, delivering the highest standards in fastener manufacturing for industries across the globe. To learn more about our global capabilities and how we can support your business, visit our website, trfastenings.com.